removing a processor and heatsink. Remove the compute node from the enclosure. Remove the node air baffles.
Fully loosen the Torx T30 nuts on the PHM, following the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Push the anti-tilt wire bales inward. Carefully lift the PHM from the processor socket.
Based on your configuration, work through the following procedures to remove the T-shaped heatsink that comes with processor 2. Fully loosen the 3 captive screws and 4 Torx T30 nuts in the removal sequence shown on the T-shaped heatsink label. Note: for reference, the torque required to fully loosen or tighten the fasteners is 1.1 Newton meters, 10 inch-pounds. Push the anti-tilt wire bales inward. Lift the T-shaped heatsink from the processor socket. If it cannot be lifted out of the socket, further loosen the Torx T30 nuts and try again.
Lift the handle to release the processor from the carrier. Hold the processor by its edges and then lift it up from the heatsink and carrier. Release the retaining clips from the heatsink. Lift the carrier from the heatsink.